on the floor filming another video at like 8, actually I think it is 8 a.m., but at this time it's a Tuesday morning. So wearing makeup on a Tuesday morning is not as big of a deal as wearing it on a Sunday morning. I don't know. I don't know. I really don't. I don't know. I don't know. Waiting for my other video to upload. I don't know how well that's going. I'm hoping it's going well. Whatever. I have things to do today. Gotta get this filmed. Gotta get it done. Alright. Shall we? Hey, it's MJ. And today, for you guys, it is Monday. For me, it is the previous Tuesday, because my parents are going to be in town next week, this week for you guys. So I'm not going to have a chance to film a video, so I'm kind of pre-filming. I don't really know if I want to call it pre-filming or just like filming ahead of time. So I guess, yeah, pre-filming, whatever. I don't actually know. Like, I'm really tired. Like, I passed out on my couch last night. I woke up at like midnight and I was like, where am I? What is going on? It was not fun. But what I'm doing today is another unboxing, or rather unbagging. Unbagging? Unboxing? I don't know, I'm opening stuff up. Because Funko has now like discontinued their subscription boxes, I still really like the subscription box format and I wanted to keep doing unboxings. So I figured I do like beauty quite a bit. I like trying new products, even though I'm wearing almost the exact same thing I wore in last week's video, just because I liked the look. I liked the look. But I decided to subscribe to FitFabFun, which I got my box, but I got it like a month after everybody else did because I subscribed late. And so I was like, I don't want to open that on camera because it's already been done like a billion times. I also subscribed to ipsy. I think I'm saying that right. I hope I am. And I've been thinking about subscribing to ipsy for well over a year, and I finally decided, you know what, I'm going to do it. I'm not going to be getting Collector Core or Disney Treasures anymore. So I figured, you know what, why not? And I like trying new products, and it is very small new products, and I'm really excited. It's like, I've had it for like 3 days, and it comes in this really pretty pink. Like, look how pretty that is. That is so pretty. I pulled it out of my mailbox. I'm like, it's so pink! I was so excited. I really do like beauty. I like trying new beauty products, and this kind of provides small sample sizes for those products. I'm very excited to open my bag up, and you actually can see, because it's all personalized, you take like a 20-question quiz, which I thought was really cool. They're just like, what brands do you like? What are your skin concerns? What are your hair concerns? And I was like, that's so cool. Nobody's ever asked me those questions before, you know, outside of like a doctor's office. But I am going to open up my April Glam Bag, and like I said, it is personalized. So these are more personalized to me, as whereas like FitFabFun and stuff like that, it is a more general, like you can choose certain items, but this is more personalized. I think Birchbox does the same thing, but I'm not quite sure. I honestly do not remember, and somebody is starting their car because, you know, it's 8 a.m. on a Tuesday morning. Most people are going to work, and I'm sitting on the floor in my office, half in my pajamas, because I'm not going to go to the build site yet, because I'm not going to do that till like 9 o'clock, and I have to go to Home Depot and buy a new deadbolt for the barn because somebody broke it yesterday. Was not me. That's actually really exciting because I figured it would be me. But I'm going to open this up. I'm not going to show you guys my address because that's just weird. I feel like I was looking at my monitor and like the shock on my face when it ripped open was hilarious. It didn't really open very well. Oh, there it goes. I brought my scissors over just in case. Trusty scissors. But I don't actually have to use them. And I have seen what the bag looks like. I've seen what the bag looks like. Oh, and there's a brush in here. I have seen what the bag looks like because I did want to see what the bag looked like. And I saw it, and I really like it. It's super cute. But here's the bag. It's so cute. I love it so much. I don't know where my last clip cut off, but it has little butterflies on it, and it has like metallic-y rose gold corners and a little rose gold hang tag, or like zipper pull. And it's like a dusty lavender on the back. I don't know how else to describe it. It's dusty lavender. But here's the brush, and this is a Vasanti brush, and I'm not quite sure what it's for. It looks like a blending brush. I think I actually could look at the email, but I don't want to look because they send you the emails and they say, well, if you don't want to know what's in your box, don't look at this email. But then they list all the things, and I'm like, I want to see my tracking number. That's what I want to see. I want to see when it's going to show up. Please don't tell me what my products are. I've like asked you not to. Not really asked you, but you know. But now I'm going to open up my little Glam Bag. I love makeup bags just as a general purpose. I think they're great. There's a little card. You know, it's all about social media, and I always love that when they integrate social media into subscription boxes. Like, be a part of our community. It's like, okay, cool, yeah, these are all trial size travel items, I think, for the most part. Oh, the first one is a NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Stockholm. I actually don't have this one, which is shocking. Actually, I might have one in a very, very small size, but I cannot remember. And I am a huge fan of NYX's lip creams. I think I've talked about them several times. I'm wearing NYX's Liquid Suede right now in Cookies and Tea, or Tea and Cookies. And it's a really pretty pinky color, and it's very nice for spring, and I was very excited about it. I'm just opening everything up because then I don't have to open it later and I could throw all the trash away at the same time. But this is a really pretty color. It's very kind of orangey. Hold on. I'm going to refocus. Oh, I just fell over. Please don't break. Please don't fall on the floor. It's a very kind of orangey color. Like, it's really, really pretty. It is. It's a very pretty color. It's more of a kind of a red orange. You can't really, it looks more orange. Oops. It looks more orange on the camera, but I think it's really pretty, and I'm excited to wear this one. I'm always excited to wear, oh, I am way out of focus. I am always excited to wear NYX's lip products. I'm always excited to wear it because I think it's like all my lipsticks. I think it is. I think that is like 95% of my lipsticks, and I'm not mad about it. I actually really like NYX's products. Alright, next. Oh, it's a little circular thing. Okay, so this is from Meech and Mia, which I've never heard of. I've never heard of Meech and Mia, and it is a copper, was not on all the way. It is a copper single pot shadow that I'm going to open very carefully. Okay, it is, I'm not going to uncover this because it is like a tappable, and I do not want to get this all over my floor because I live in an apartment and I don't want to have to pay for somebody to come in and clean my carpet because I decided, I'm going to open up this single eyeshadow and hope for the best. Okay, next, there are a few more items in here. I think there's two, yeah, because the brush was one of them. Okay, this is Trust Fund Beauty, which I feel like I've heard of before. I feel like I've heard of Trust Fund Beauty before. Oh, it's vegan, cool. That's actually really exciting. And it's also cruelty free, which makes me really, really excited. And this is that Liquid Glow, though. It's a liquid highlighter. I've actually never used a liquid highlighter. I've just kind of ventured into the world of highlighters recently, and I only use powder highlighter. I only have used powder highlighter. So I'm really excited to kind of try out a liquid highlighter. Like, that's so exciting. And I'm going to swatch this. I don't know how to swatch things. Like, as you can see, I just put it over the center of my hand. Like, I go into Ulta or Sephora, and I'm trying to find, like, foundation. And there's just, like, 25 swatches, like, all over my hand. And I'm like, I guess this is happening. I feel like I go through memory cards like nobody's business, and I'm not really trying to. Oh, man, that's gold. Does it tell me what color it is? It does not. I mean, I'm going to tell you how it feels, though, because hold on. There we go. It's right here. So I'm going to kind of spread it. Oh, man. I mean, you cannot see that. Wait, there it goes. But that is, like, that's pigmented. Like, that's super pigmented. And it's like a nice, kind of rosy gold sort of highlighter. And I actually don't have any rose gold highlighter, which is shocking because, you know, I like rose gold. Hold on, I don't know if I can focus on that. No, I'm not. Okay, I think, oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, so one more item in the bag. It's still so cute. It's just so cute. And this is a large product. Ooh, I've never done one of these either. So this is a detoxifying hair mask from the brand Theory, and this is an amino 8 complex plus curated botanicals. And it has charcoal, shea butter, bamboo extract, and tea tree oil. And tea tree oil is what I use on my, or tea tree is what I use on my hair now anyway. So I'm excited. Ingredients for professional results: apply to clean hair. Okay, that's good. I would not apply it to dirty hair. I feel like that would just be a terrible plan. But here's the packaging. I like really simple packaging as well. Like, I like packaging that's like super fancy, and then there's some that I'm just like, oh, it's so cool. It's just really very simple. And so I'm really excited to try this, actually. Like, I'm excited. Like, that sounds great. But I'm excited to try this. It sounds awesome. So, I mean, absolutely, so far, for sure. My first Glam Bag has been absolutely amazing. I feel like taking quizzes online when it comes to beauty products and subscription boxes where you get kind of like a mystery curation of items is really, really nice, because then you do get a more curated bundle to you and your needs and your care concerns and the brands that like you trust or you use. And I'm a huge fan of this. Like, I love the little bag. It's very cute. It's very like on brand for me. I don't really know what my brand is, you guys, but it's very on brand for me, and I don't think I can fit this makeup. Oh, duh! But I gotta learn how to swatch better, because you cannot see the highlighter at all, though it is poppin'. It is poppin'. Like, you cannot see it. I can't even see it in my monitor, but it looks great. It does not look great with the lipstick underneath it. I would not wear them together, if we're honest, but I thoroughly enjoyed the entirety of my Glam Bag. I'm so excited. I'm really glad that I finally decided to get it and experience something that I've been, you know, seeing on YouTube, seeing on Instagram, seeing on, like, I think Pinterest, and I'm just like, okay, alright, cool, you know what, you finally have sucked me in. I'll do it. But I am very, very happy with what I have received. I am going to try out all these products, besides the ones that I've swatched on my hand. I'm going to try out all the products, and I'm really excited to do that because I love makeup brushes. I'm a big fan of brushes. I have some relatively cheap brushes, and I think I'd rather have some relatively more expensive, higher quality brushes, but I do not have any of those right now. But I think that is it for me this week. You can like this video, you can comment on this video, you can subscribe to my channel for more things, because I come out with a video every week, and it's been like Monday/Tuesday recently, and I don't know why. I've just been really busy. You can follow me on social media. The links to my Instagram, my Twitter, and my blog are also below. You can watch last week's video. That link is also below. But until then, I hope you guys have a great, great week, and I'll see you next week. Bye!